Now you're going to learn how to make the feet for your pig. So we'll start with a slip knot, create a magic ring. Now place 6 single crochets in the middle of your magic ring. Now that we have 6 single crochets, we're going to go around an increase in row 2. So there will be 12 single crochets at the end of row 2. I'm going to pull on this tail a bit to tighten everything up. And now for row 3, we're going to do 1 single crochet in every stitch around, so that'll be 12 at the end of row 3 again. All right, so now that we've completed row 3, you're going to pull out a long tail for sewing, snip that off. Now we're going to grab our embroidery needle from our kit, thread our yarn on, and now you are just going to weave in and out of all of the outward facing stitches on the top of row 3, and then I will show you how to close. All right, so now that we've woven in and out all the way around, you're just going to grab a tiny bit of stuffing and push it into the center there. You don't need a lot, you just want to make sure that the feet aren't going to collapse. And then you're going to just pull that drawstring as tight as you can. Just try to keep as much as the stuffing inside as you can. Now once you've pulled it closed, you can see any stuffing sticking out of the top. Just kind of gather it and snip it off. And then you're just going to take your needle and weave across the top 1 or 2 times just so that it stays secure. And then don't cut off this tail because this is what you're going to use to sew it onto the body of the pig.